and I'm from Camec, and I'm here with Rob from the Blonde Nomads.
G'day.
How you going?
Good.
Excellent. Thanks for dropping by.
No problems.
And today we're going to be talking about tank health and water safety in your caravan. What's some things you can advise us of your experience while you've been travelling with the kids?
Well, as far as travelling with kids, hygiene is at the top of our list. You've got to always use the food grade hose. It's non-toxic and you don't get that plasticky taste. Water filter, we always filter every drop of water that goes through our caravan, whether it's from mains or whether we're filling up from tanks and filling our tanks.
And then obviously you've been using the flat hoses
We have,
for a while
yes,
because the standard hoses can be hard to roll up and store sometimes. So they're obviously a favourite of yours.
We found them do great. Yeah, we're loving it.
Yeah. Well, and I guess I think for tank safety as well, there's also the chances of bacteria and algae and things building up.
Basically your maintenance of your tank. Yeah.
Even when you're on the road full time.
Totally, yeah,
you
absolutely.
must be doing maintenance all the time.
Yes, constantly. So we've got these tablets and also these sachets, and they just treat your tank and they keep it clean and basically maintain it for your optimum health and the health of your drinking water basically.
Yeah, and they're really great for obviously even if you've stored your van over winter, you may not have used a tank, you might have a little bit of excess water hanging in there that you haven't drained out. Before you fill up, put one in, fill it up, empty it out, and then you're good to go with clean fresh water when you fill up next time.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Excellent. Well, thanks for coming out today, Rob, and giving us some tips on keeping your tanks clean.
Pleasure.
We'll see you soon.